Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good to go, man. Good, man. Peace.
Good afternoon. I welcome you all to the day 2 of webinar Augmented Reality. I am Suchiti Udawat, Assistant Professor of IFT IPS Academy, hosting this program on behalf of IFT IPS Academy. So at IFT, we provide the best education and training to our students. We organize events for students like Entrepreneurship Development Program, inter-college fashion shows, graduating fashion shows, exhibitions, industrial training, and many more. We at IFT have strong connect with relevant government department and industry for entrepreneurship development program and placement of our students. So yesterday we were talking about augmented reality. Augmented reality is the technology that augments the usual user's visual perception of their environment. And for that, we welcome Mr. Sajan C. Kumar. Mr. Sajan C. Kumar is a professional fashion communicator and was associate professor at Institute of Apparel Management in Gurgaon. He has taught augmented reality and virtual reality in fashion communication at NIFT Kannur, Kerala. An expert in digital communication, Sajan sir has won the first Ejunro and Central Fellowship to work on impact of internet on visual journalism. I also welcome Achal sir, the president of IPS Academy, Poonam Vora ma'am, director of IFT IPS Academy, Preeti Sarva ma'am, principal of IFT IPS Academy and coordinator of this event. I welcome you all the manufacturers, retailers, boutique owners, all the students of fashion and textile field, all the faculties of fashion and textile field. I welcome you all. So in yesterday's session, we have learned the history of augmented reality and some applications like Blip AR, AR Lupa, Clipdrop that we can use in our smartphone to create augmented reality around us. So that was really fascinating. Let's see, we'll learn something fascinating today as well. Let's move on and learn many more new things today's session. Please welcome Mr. Sajan C. Kumar.
Thank you. Thank you. So today, it's just a continuation of what we have been doing like yesterday. Basically, we have learned 3 apps which can work on augmented reality. So this is something, say, you can do yourself. It's a kind of hands-on thing which I just wanted to let you know how it works. So this is something to start with in a very easy way. A Lupa has been there for long, and many of the fashion designers, fashion enthusiasts have been using it on their smartphones. It's available on both the segments. It's not just an Android, but also available on ISO platforms. So it's kind of a thing which is fitting into all the requirements which you have to be knowing on when you start working with Alopa. So let's see what is happening here. It's like you have your smartphone. See, there are two segments in this augmented reality concept. One is the real place. The other one is kind of imagination which you have developed, and then that particular imagination you are building up with the software packages, including Alopa Studio, wherein you can start creating it, and you're bringing the entire thing into your smartphones. You just have to create the model and bring that to a studio platform wherein, say, you're just recording it. And then when you put it through, it is giving you an illusion, basically, but not, it's something unreal in that sense. And then adding to the space which you have in your segments. This Alopa has been very strongly been doing this. They can help you in creating the augmented reality segments, which works in platforms like Android and ISO. So even if you have high-end technology handsets with you also, then you can use this particular platform. I don't know how many of you have tried this on your platform, which is like, say, you just have to go to the Play Store and just type in Alopa. It gives you the kind of the platform to be downloaded. It doesn't take more time and thing. And here you can see in this video also how it is being utilized on your smartphones. It's like the content being created. This is what you are seeing is been already created from a model or the photograph of that particular dresses which is being given in that segment. And you're standing at certain position and clicking that along with the model which you have already created. It's like if you are going to a boutique and you have the boutique owner has all these images with him, her on her smartphone. So what you have to just do is that go stand there in a particular position and then click the pictures, and then you can see yourself how it is looking fitting to your, say, fashion statements, and then you can decide on which one you want to buy at that point of time. So it's going to be very easy for the consumer, because see, every time I have seen, I mean, I've been shopping with my wife, and whenever I go to a shop wherein she wants to buy something, some clothes, it's a terrible time for, I mean, all men will agree with me, because I have to wait outside to just complete that sessions of getting into that fitting room and trying it out. I mean, like it is, it won't be less than half an hour time. It takes sometimes 1 hour, 2 hours at all. And finally, she comes up with one idea, like maybe 10 things she will be trying, but she will come up with 2, saying that this is okay. So that time which is being spent in the fitting rooms, because you have to remove your clothes and put this and then come back and all. See, maybe if the store is using an app like this, it will not take more than 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I think that's a saving time for the consumer, to the store owner, everyone. And this is the particular way wherein people are saving time, energy, and I mean, in that way, I think it is 10 dresses which you are testing, at that 15 minutes, the seller is going to get at least say 2 or 3 selections done, because it is absolutely been considered fitting, and then they are buying it. And there is no scope of returning the particular say commodities they have bought in, because they have tried it on their own and they have been convinced and they're very happy and then buying it. So Arlupa in that way is going to help the fashion stores in a very, very big way. And if you look at the cost effectiveness of Arlupa is also in that sense very minimal, because the app is absolutely free for a certain level of usage. If you're going commercial, it is taking some money for your say making the models and all. They will take some charges, but otherwise it is going to be very effectively cost efficient. So this is something which has been taught to you. I mean, like I've been asked all of you to work on it, and how, I mean, many of you might have tried it. So how it was effective is that you have to tell me. Like how many of you have tried this and I mean, actually want to work on it and then do. I mean, if students have done something, this is one segment which I have thought youngsters will be very keen, because it is very interactive. And in some cases, it is going beyond the limitations of creativity that say if you have your own model and if you think that you want to use this model, so what you have to do is that you have to create that model's picture and then place it accordingly into your segments. In your app, that particular model is there. Every time when a consumer comes, that model is going to say dress up for the consumer. So you can also create a sense of like say branding in that particular segment. If you think say you want a lady model who looks like say Aishwarya Rai plus Preeti Zinta, or all kind of combinations which you can bring up and make it. And if you want to gentleman model who should look like Salman Khan or say Mir Khan, or mix of them and all, you just have to create that. So what happens then is that, see, these models are going to dress up for you in that fitting rooms and then show you how it will be. In some cases, it is going beyond that. See, you can take a picture of yourself and be the model, 3D model at that point of time, and then you dress up yourself. I think the third suggestion will be much accepted, because everyone wants to see the dress fit on yourself and see how it works on your say size and proportions, which makes the sense. It's not that just a model or a mannequin that is going to dress up. It is you yourself are going to be setting up in this situation. So this is all about Arlupa. And how many of you have, I mean, like students have tried this? If you have tried this, any one of you can tell me that how was it? So I'm just stopping my sharing thing, and then so we can run the video also after this. If students are not ready with after the video, they can tell me that how was their experience using Arlupa. Maybe the institute video can run now. Sir, can we run? Yeah.
Hi, this is Mumtaz Khan, fashion designer from Bhopal. I wish all the students of IPS Academy best of luck. I have worked with the IPS Academy. I have worked with their students, and their fashion students are very imaginative, very creative, and very artistic. And they really work very hard. I like their work so much. So I wish them all the best.
I'm Ronak from Mumbai. I would like to tell you that it was a pleasure to work with IPS Academy. The Department of Fashion Technology is so fabulous, so talented, and so creative that I still share the costumes that we all have designed. Of course, no doubt, whether it's TV serial or Bollywood. The faculty of IPS has always contributed in our shootings. And of course, the energy and the potential the students of IPS have, oh my God. I'm looking forward to come back to you guys again.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sonkar and I am Training Officer of Fashion Design Technology, NSTI Vadodara. It's a National Skill Training Institute for Women, Vadodara. And I have done my PG diploma from IPS Academy and 2010 to 11 का मेरा बैच था और मैं आपको एक बात ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हमारे IPS एकेडमी के जो फैशन डिज़ाइन टेक्नोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट के फैकल्टीज़ मेंबर्स और मीना मैम, हेमंत सर एंड डायरेक्टर मैम, पूनम वोरा मैम, they supports me lot to achieve my goals and right now I'm gazetted officer. It's a central government institute. So thanks to all my ma'am, sir, thank you.
I'm really happy to see that endorsements and the students' response of the institute. They really love to be there and enjoyed being there. So all the best to the existing students also. One day you will also be recording this kind of endorsements towards the institute. Okay. So any of you have to tell me your experiences about using Lupa? I think you can unmute yourself and tell me that. How did you find it? I mean, you just need to have a mobile phone like this only and start working on Lupa.
It has, I'd just like to speak something if I'm permitted. I did download Air Lupa yesterday, but it has sent an activation code on my email, but that activation key is not working.
Oh, why is it?
I am not aware. I tried it 3-4 times. They have also sent a URL, but that URL is also not getting activated.
But did you try it using, say, Apple or which gadget?
It's an Android phone.
Android phone, no? So for Android phone, say Google Play, you just have to go to Google Play and then you download it.
Yes,
Isn't it that easy?
I was able to download it, but it is not getting activated. It says it needs a password or something which is sent on the mail, the confirmation activation.
Okay, can you just check that the numbers? The thing which is going to happen is that all that numbers which is being sent by them should be, I mean, you have to check whether it is numerical or it is in upper, I mean, if it is in upper lower cases also, you have to be sensitive about it. If A is put in caps, you just have to type in your, say when you get like this, on your app, it shows, no? So what you have to do is that you have to be careful of copying that same, say, code. If A is in uppercase, you copy it in or type it in uppercase. If it is in lowercase, you have to type it in lowercase. And if there is a special character also, you have to type it in exact the form. Or in case if none of these are working, what you have to do is that just remove the Lupa thing which you have put in your phone and then reinstall it. Sometimes what happens is that in some mobile phones, it is not downloading properly. App is not downloading properly, so it creates a problem. So just remove that Lupa which you have already installed in that mobile phone and then reinstall or reload the allo pathing. It should work because it is working with me also, and many of my friends also are using it regularly, so it should not be a problem. Even
All right.
I mean, I've been regularly using it. You can see this.
Sajan sir, please unmute yourself. Sajan sir, please unmute yourself.
Okay, so it is like this. Can you see this? It is just opening it, and it is giving you all these details, like so how it is going to work all. And so that problem should not happen once you do these things. So when you are coming to this particular segment, you just have to click on this particular segment, which is like dresses. So you get all these details in this. And then when you go and click on this dress, which I just wanted to use.
Sir?
So, yeah, so what is happening now is, yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, I wanted to share my experience of using this app.
Yeah, please come.
So my name is Pooja Gyanwani. I'm pursuing B-Design course from IPS Academy. Earlier, I used to edit my photographs, like fashion illustrations in Photoshop. So it was so time consuming, like I had to use tools, cutting and pasting it. So it was time consuming. But when I used this app, इसमें जो background से it removed easily.
Yeah, immediately when you click on the picture, na, wo apne aap, in the next second itself, it is removing it. So it is very easy for you to take that file into wherever you want to paste it. आप वहाँ पे ले जाके उसको छोटा कर सकते हैं, बड़ा कर सकते हैं, जो भी करना चाहते हैं वो कर सकते हैं. So that is something which one good thing which is with the clip drop. आप clip drop एक बार use किया ना, I don't think you will ever leave that because of the facility which is there to do the cutouts. Especially even if you are not doing a design or say mood board nahi bana rahe, if you are making a say presentation also, if you want to have a cutout, you will be using it. And ads अगर बनाना चाहते तो वहाँ पर भी आप इसको use कर सकते हैं. It's been used in multiple platforms, wherein anywhere with the requirement of a cutout of any picture you can use this. ये सबसे ज़्यादा facility है इसमें. But if you want to make a say model in 3D also, आप इसको cutout बना के वहाँ पे ले जाइए, and then from there you can make the 3D of what you are.
Sir, the best part of it कि हम इससे हमारा fashion business इसको fashion business में use कर सकते because it is very easy to use.
So it's time, काफी time आप save कर सकते हैं इसके वजह से ना.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Oh, great. Okay.
Thank you.
So something, you're welcome. So something that जो हमने अभी अपना webinar में एक फायदा तो हो गया कि एक स्टूडेंट ने कम से कम बोला है कि उसका काम में ये फायदा दे रहा है. I'm really happy about that. Many maybe there who don't want to say this but enjoying the facility. So आप ट्राई जिसने ट्राई किया है उनको तो समझ में आ गया है कि क्या इसमें फायदा है. जिसने ट्राई नहीं किया है I would suggest that एक बार आप ट्राई करके देखिए. जरूर आपको पसंद आएगा. That's something which I found. Okay, so let me come to the next part of it. Okay, so this is something which has been spoken about now of clip drop, how clip drop is going to help you out. अब देखिए इसमें क्या क्या हो रहा है. Say you can just download it if you have अब लोगों ने बना के रखा हुआ है and you want to create a say an advertisement or anything for that matter to work on it, you just उसको ले लीजिए and then you just use this clip drop and इसको जैसे कि इन्होंने बोला कि when she clicked it has been rated at 4.5 because people have liked it very much. देखिए यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? This yesterday also we have shown you how it has been used in Photoshop. Basically, all the designers are using Photoshop. It's easy. From the mannequin, you just click the picture. तो क्या हो रहा है इसमें? See, it is just creating that cutout. I mean, if you want to do this in Photoshop, what you have to do is that you have to put that pins everywhere and then close it and then select it, make it inverse and then bring it here and place it. अब यहाँ पे तो it's directly have come in here. अब यहाँ से भी, if you think that there is certain portions more to be removed, like इसके हाथ के दोनों हाथ के बीच में जो space है ना, वहाँ पे भी if you think that is not part of the garment, what you have to do is that you just have to remove it. उसको पकड़ के वो change कर दिया. Now you have got the dress alone. तो आपने अपना creative में इसको लगा दिया एक side में, and then now you have another, say, fashion illustration which you have already worked out. आप इसको वहाँ से clip करके अपने artwork में ले आ रहे हैं. So you're bringing that fashion illustration which you have done there and then placing it onto your ये देखिए आप अपने उसको sizing कर सकते हैं, जितना भी sizing आपको करना चाहिए, that you can do accordingly, and then take the, see, it's again getting you to the options of creative things which you can bring in from other places also. Images में से जाके you are selecting some images which you really want to work with and in this particular segment and then using it. So it's been a wonder tool for designers who have been say struggling to get cutouts of the manufactured, basically the fashion things, and then it can now in one click take the cutout of whatever things you want to do. This is even been used in the say jewelry design segment also, because the intricate designs which is being used on the galleries been very, very sensitive in that sense. Okay, this is where we can think of connecting the dots of the design to a particular segment which really makes a difference. So second app, I think many of you have used it. So now this is again another app which we have looked at, and here, see what is that happening. Augmented Reality Studio is being, say, in a way, it is working on. See, this is the kind of work which has been done on Augmented Reality Studios, wherein, see, certain things which are not there in reality, you are bringing that to the stage. See, the campaign drive is going to give awareness, consideration, engagement, and repeat user coming to your places. It's a good thing which is going to happen. I think I can even suggest, like, see, all the students who are now in fashion, say design, doing the course from the institute, you should sitting at home create a fashion show using these technologies which is available with you. All of you have worked, I mean, like if there are students, second year students, third year students who have done their, say, primary design things, you have that in your, the fashion illustration is with you. I think most of you will be having it with you, no? So आप क्या कर सकते हैं? You create, I mean, like students can make a group of, say, 10 people getting together and doing a fashion show. ये कर सकते हैं. Everyone have their own, say, design with you. What you have to do is that आप एक design decide कर लो and sit together and make a plan exactly like what you are doing, what you were supposed to do in a offline fashion show kind of. उसमें क्या करना है, तो you select 10 outfits, do the primary thing like say fashion illustrations done. You get the idea. If you could make the garment itself, you make the garment and then put on and take. I mean, like say maybe घर पे आपको वो mannequin नहीं मिलेगा. What you have to do is that plain table पे आप उसको बिछा दीजिए and use this drop clip to click that picture and bring to Arlupa and run it. Say usko maybe you can decide on see make your living room as a stage, okay, and run this thing along with. See what you have to do is that you take this model first and keep it there and you yourself move around. आप उसको एक रनवे बना के आगे निकलते जाइए and put this cloth into that. Okay, so you get this one video from one student. Okay, so क्या हो गया आपके पास 10 videos ऐसे होंगे. Say it won't take more than 2 or 3 minutes for a catwalk. Since you are doing it in your own living room, I think it will be say 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. Because in Indian architecture, we don't build a house with very long living room. Because we have that sense of being very close, family sitting together, watching TV and all. तो आप इसको 3 मिनट का या 5 मिनट का, maximum 5 मिनट का videos बना दीजिए. So what happens? You have 10 people with 10 different dresses doing the same thing. See, walking through this runway, the fashion runway, and recording it. See, इसको क्या करना है? Collect all these 10 videos and edit it. I think your institute is very good enough in e-learning processes, so your faculties there will really help you to edit it. आपको वो edit करने के लिए they will help you. They will also help you to put in audio into that. You can suggest कौन सा audio आप कहाँ पे डालना चाहते हैं. I mean, maybe your team itself can do these things if you have a kind of sense of doing the editing part of it. Please do it yourself because it's going to help you in enhancing your capacity of making a multimedia production in that sense. अब ये हो गया, then just run it. Say you get say I was suggesting that 3 to 5 minutes. अगर आपने 5 minutes भी किया है तो 10 वीडियो आपके पास है तो 50 minutes का एक शो बन गया आपका, फैशन शो बन गया, which you can say anytime put on your website. Maybe for the new students coming in also, they will be excited about this thing because maybe another 6 months we need to go teaching online only. So they will also feel like, अरे हमने कॉलेज गया नहीं फिर भी हमने एक फैशन शो कंडक्ट किया है. How many of you in the students in this group would like to take up this challenge? कोई करना चाहता है? नहीं.
Yes, sir.
Hey, great. Who is this?
Sir, Raj Khandelwal.
Hey, Raj. Okay, so tell me that आप क्या करें? I mean, like, what is that you can plan in this? कैसे करेंगे?
Sir, definitely जैसे मेरा अभी प्रेजेंट में मम्मा का बुटीक भी है, तो बहुत सारे गारमेंट्स हमको डिस्प्ले करने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आता था. But due to this, we have a better opportunity to display our clothes.
Okay.
एंड जैसे कैटवॉक करवाएंगे वो सब होगा तो बेटर रहेगा वो.
अरे हाँ, ये I think even you can help your mom also in share some garments from her and I mean it's like renting out from her and doing it. नहीं कर सकते?
कर सकते सर, बिल्कुल.
हाँ, तो एक ऐसे करना, पहले you do a dummy run of this wherein you ask your friends, all your friends to dress up in their best wardrobe which they have. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप फोटो क्लिक करके उसको रन करके देखो. फिर उसके बाद यू प्लान कि क्या आप नया क्या डिजाइन आपको करना है उसके ऊपर, देन यू वर्क ऑन इट एंड देन तो आपके पास एक डमी रन होगा, मिल जाएगा कि आपको आइडिया पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा कि क्या क्या करना है एंड
Yes,
उसके
sir.
बाद जब आप रियल टाइम करेगा, maybe यार you can do a live show of this thing also.
Yes, sir.
And Poonam ma'am will be very happy to help you out in this. Isn't it, ma'am? Okay.
It's going to be great, sir. I mean, this is something which I'm looking forward now.
Oh, great. Okay. So students, you have a challenge now with you to do it and show it to ma'am, and then let's say it can even run live. आप एक live create कर दीजिए and everyone on live doing this you can do. अब आपका see learning भी उसके साथ हो रहा है and you are practicing it also. And basically learning by doing is the best thing in fashion. Because आपको आप कभी भी वो भूल नहीं पाएगा. I mean, जैसे भी आपने किया है कि you don't have to write it down or say keep it in memory for it will be there in your memory throughout your life. It's a lifelong experience if you can do this, isn't it? Okay, so I'm really grateful that you have taken up this challenge and is willing to do this. Great man. Okay, so now if any of you have done anything and if you have any questions regarding this, if Preeti ma'am, if the students who have done something on this, can they showcase that work?
Yeah. I would request to the students who have done anything as per the yesterday's assignment as sir gave you. So if you have done anything, prepared anything creative, kindly share your screen, or do not do not hesitate to show whatever you have created. I have created very bad things, still I have shared with Shajan sir in the morning.
Yeah, it was a nice photograph.
And then I created very bad thing and I shared कि सर मैंने कुछ भी कर दिया. So
अच्छा किया. That is the beginning of everything. Now it is.
मैंने क्या किया?
We have to start something.
शाजन सर मैंने अपने पफी पर शूज रख दिए और हमारा जो ग्रुप है उस पर लिख दिया कि आई हैव परचेज न्यू पेयर ऑफ शूज. सो माय हस्बैंड केम डाउन सी दोस शूज कि कहाँ खरीदे, कौन से शूज हैं.
So it's augmented. You have made him think that you have bought it, but in reality you haven't.
And then my
that's something which मैम ने ये भी बना के दिया था. ये this one is also there. So you have purchased this one also. So this is something which is it's augmented reality. It is not in real sense. It is there, but at this point of time, like say even Will's fashion show, they were trying to do something like this, wherein they wanted to have an online fashion show done, and they tried their level best to do that. Maybe another year also, this is going to be the in thing wherein it will be online only. So if the institute can, the fashion school can create an online thing, and maybe once you do it for your own students, and then you can call all the fashion institutes in India and ask them to participate, because ये आपको एक idea मिल गया कैसे करना है, and then it's only to ask the other colleges to come in and tell them like what is to be, how they can participate. It can even be an international show wherein you can even ask people from Milan and say London School of Fashion to participate. And I'll be very happy to see that, because an Indian institute is doing it internationally. It's a proud moment for all of us.
Sure.
And students have already agreed to do that.
Sure, sir.
So if anybody has anything.
Yes, students, if you have prepared, kindly share your views, your experience.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, may I show my screen?
Yeah, please do that.
Yeah, I was willing to see that.
Kanu Soni.
Wow.
Hey, great.
I have created this mold board, and with clip drop, I have picked this vase and this chair.
Wow.
Okay, ये chair घर पे है ना?
नहीं सर,
And,
मैंने इससे
पिक्चर्स से लिया?
Pinterest से लिया.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है. But the cutout is been made using that flip drop, na?
Yes sir.
So
After
is, yeah, so if you are doing this without using clip drop, आपको कितना टाइम लगता? और जब आपने clip drop यूज
सर
किया तो
पहले
आपको
मैं
कितने
करती थी,
जल्दी?
उसमें फोटोशॉप में बहुत टाइम लगता था, क्लिप ड्रॉप से बहुत इजीली हो गया.
Okay, so जल्दी जल्दी कर पाया आपने.
और लूपा पे मैंने बस एक वीडियो ट्राई की थी.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Oh great.
और सर ब्लिप यार मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कैसे स्टार्ट कैसे होगा वो उस पर.
कौन सा वाला?
ब्लिप AR.
हाँ, Blip AR it's okay because Blip AR is slightly more technologically oriented also. जो Photoshop करते हैं या After Effects करते हैं उनके लिए आसान रहेगा. But it is not say as easy as Arlupa and Clip Drop. उसमें आप इसको पहले इन दोनों में मास्टर करने के बाद है ना, when you go there it will be easy for you to do that. And it is also say visual oriented kind of a thing. Drag and drop वगैरह ये काम है. थोड़ा सा आपको देख के करना पड़ेगा, मेजरमेंट्स वगैरह उसमें देना पड़ेगा बस, अदरवाइज इट इज फाइन. बट इन Arlupa इट इज लाइक स्क्रीन में आप जो भी है इट्स वेरी इजी. एंड स्लाइटली आई मीन एक 2-3 बार आप करने से ना इट यू विल कम. सो ये इनका प्रोजेक्ट जो फैशन शो जो करने हैं उसमें आप भी पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे?
Yes sir. Yes sir, definitely.
He needs your help.
Kanupriya, give your introduction, please, for telling things.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Kanupriya Soni. I'm pursuing B Design. I'm in the 4th year from IPS Academy.
Oh, great. So, before getting into the industry, you can do this online fashion show.
Yes, sir. I'm very excited
ऐसा नहीं
to
लगना
do
चाहिए
that.
कि आपने एक शो नहीं किया है. ये कभी भी नहीं है ना कि because of the COVID situation I couldn't do the fashion show. ये कभी नहीं सोचना चाहिए, आप कर सकते हैं.
Yes sir, I'm definitely going to try that. Thank you so
very
much.
good. And all the best, all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Mr. Raj Khandelwal, I wanted your introduction as well.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir, ma'am. I'm Raj Khandelwal from BWOC Fashion Technology, DAVV.
Okay.
I'm pursuing BWOC Fashion Technology from DAVV, Department of Lifelong Learning.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I'm in second year. I'm a second year student. And side by side, my mother owns a boutique, so I practice there.
Okay.
Oh, that's wonderful, yeah. Good.
Very nice.
Yeah, so you should take your mom also as a partner in this fashion show.
Yes, sir, definitely I will.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, anyone else from the faculties also you can ask any question or
Yes ma'am. Dipali here. Hello sir. A very good afternoon. Hello sir, how are you? Sir, I would like to show you something that I just tried for Lupa. Can you see my screen? I'm going to share
you have to share the screen.
No, I'm not able to share. I have not put it.
Okay.
Can you see this furniture? Actually, I just tried furniture at my place. It is actually not present in my place, but I love that furniture, so I just placed it over my screen and took the picture.
Okay, good.
So I just find it.
You have,
I've asked my husband to buy this for me.
Interior, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now he has to buy it here because you have forced him to see that how it is positioned and how it will look.
Yeah.
So certainly he will buy it.
Yeah, I just felt like it is very useful for the interior decor, also interior designers and all. This is for everything. You can try for the any other pictures or furnitures and everything. It was really very useful.
Yeah, when somebody is doing interior decoration to find it, it is not necessary to bring that and then think like this size is not fitting, and it is, so you can always have that.
Yes.
Good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. So is there any other questions or anything from students or participants? I think they have a issue in, I mean, like you can talk to me in any language. I know 3 languages, Malayalam, Hindi, and English. So don't worry, students who have a feeling that nahin अंग्रेजी में कैसे पूछेंगे kind of, don't think about that. You can ask me in Hindi, I can answer in Hindi. Yeah, any questions, any language. Students also, yeah.
Questions are definitely
Students,
there because I tried in the morning a dinosaur on my cupboard. The time was running, so I could not do it properly. So I actually learning the software, उसको सीखना भी तो पड़ेगा. So definitely सीखने के लिए तो बहुत सारे students are.
It's basically. थोड़ा सा time लगता है, but once you learn, na, people generally see. For the NIFT students at Kannur, I was teaching augmented reality and virtual reality, and the assignment was to do a see, it's basically a short film using a Lupa. So I said that you can have half of your characters, real characters, and half of the characters can be in part of that.
Sajjan sir, please unmute yourself.
So many, yeah. So many of the students have come up with the storyboard wherein they have created, like, say they give me idea that हमने अवतार देखा है, वो छोटा भीम देखा है, and we are just going to do something similar to that, wherein we can use the fashion trends also put in their dresses. So are they half of the characters were real people, and again it was in the time of the first COVID lockdown period, wherein no student could go out of the rooms or the houses. So unke liye to it's much more easier to have the characters say which has been made as models in from the Aloba thing, and they have taken say there is a cat, there is a dog, there is a lion, there are many other things, and the room setups also they just put up say sofas and tables and all, and then say it was a 5 minutes short film assignment based on fashion and lifestyle. So they could do it. Say many of them said that in real time, agar ye karna hota, to it would have been very difficult, because you need to have that green screen shoots, which is called chroma cutting techniques, to make all these things. But in this case, Aluba is avoiding all those things and then bringing in real characters. There are some men and women characters which some of the students have brought in also as their characters. And the lip movements also, what they have done is that they put it in voice over techniques where they use their own languages. Most of them use the Malayalam as a language because Kannur is part of Kerala. So they worked out and then they made. I found some of them were very, very good, because the new generation students have their capacity of say creativity, which can be shown in a very nice, better way. So augmented reality and virtual reality is really going to help you out passing on the messages which you really want as a brand say strategy. And again, maybe in real time also, if you want to tell people that see, wear this dress and see yourself, you will look nice. wear this wig and see yourself, you will look 10 years younger. Wear this, say, spectacles like Lenskart is using it, Amazon is using it, more Wills fashion is using it. All these people are using it, and it will be in the next 5 years. I think it is going to be the in thing with the new generation. So there are so many technologies available in this. अभी तो मैंने तो इसको अभी थोड़ा सा एक झलक ही दिखाया है, वैसे पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. As Kishore, there is a very strong quote which says that आगे क्या क्या देखने पड़ेंगे आपको, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. So that's with that note, if you have any questions, we can discuss the questions. Sir, if you want, you can show the video. Voila.
Hi, this is Mumtaz Khan, fashion designer from Bhopal. I wish all the students of IPS Academy best of luck. I have worked with the IPS Academy. I have worked with their students, and their fashion students are very imaginative, very creative, and very artistic. And they really work very hard. I like their work so much. So I wish them all the best.
I'm Ronak from Mumbai. I would like to tell you that it was a pleasure to work with IPS Academy. The Department of Fashion Technology is so fabulous, so talented, and so creative that I still share the costumes that we all have designed. Of course, no doubt, whether it's TV serial or Bollywood. The faculty of IPS has always contributed in our shootings. And of course, the energy and the potential the students of IPS have, oh my God. I'm looking forward to come back to you guys again.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sonkar and I'm training officer of Fashion Design Technology, NSTI Vadodara. It's a National Skill Training Institute for Women, Vadodara. And I have done my PG diploma from IPS Academy. And 2010 to 11 का मेरा बैच था. और मैं आपको एक बात ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हमारे IPS एकेडमी के जो फैशन डिज़ाइन टेक्नोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट के फैकल्टीज़ मेंबर्स और मीना मैम, हेमंत सर एंड डायरेक्टर मैम पूनम बोरा मैम, they supports me lot to achieve my goals. And right now I'm gazetted officer. It's a central government institute. So thanks to all my ma'am, sir, thank you.
Okay. So before concluding, I just wanted to tell all students that you have the creativity with you. And see, the next generation always been talking about artificial intelligence. लेकिन मैं हमेशा ये विश्वास रखता हूँ कि ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस से ऊपर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कभी नहीं आ सकते. Though we all have say our hands on machines and technology, but the creativity which we have possessed, that's going to rule in all the situations. Easily sharpen your creativity and then use it with the new technologies. And आप जब वो करने शुरू कर देंगे तो your output will be the great. I'm sure that all of you will be doing it. And thank you for listening to me. And if there is any questions, we can discuss this. Okay, we have some more time.
Excuse me, sir, can I share my experience with ClipDrop?
Yeah, please.
Sir, my name is Farad Qureshi. I am pursuing B Design second year from IPS Academy. Sir, I am not using, but I am just trying the app ClipDrop, and I am very excited to use in my field, in fashion field. It's very easy to use. I can take picture of chair, and I found that background is no more. Means कि उसमें background ही नहीं, मतलब अगर कुछ edit करना हो picture तो हम easily background remove कर सकते हैं. It's very useful in my field, I think. So thank you,
Good,
sir,
good, very good.
for suggestion of
Good.
this app.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you
Good.
so much, sir.
So at least you're welcome. You're welcome. So it is useful, ना? तो कम से कम हम जो कर रहे हैं उसका
Yes, it's
कुछ
very
विचार
useful.
निकलता है ना. And I think you will also participate in that challenge which we are going to do. Fashion show करना है. नहीं.
Okay, sir.
हाँ इतने क्यों you should say it in very strong way ना. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. Okay नहीं. Okay. Very very strongly you said that हम करेंगे. नहीं. Good. Okay. So thank you guys.
Sir, sir, can I share my experience?
Yeah, please do.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Kavita Panchori, B Design 3rd year from IPS Academy, Indore. Sir, मैंने मतलब यूज नहीं किया था, बट मैंने जब यूज किया तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. इजीली जो भी चीजें थी, बैकग्राउंड वगैरह सारा मतलब बहुत अच्छे से हो गया था. इजी है बहुत.
Okay. Good. So you will be using it for your projects and all, ना? आगे जाके
Yes,
आप use
sir.
कर सकते
Yes, sir. Of course.
हैं. आप भी इनके साथ वो फैशन शो करने के लिए, ऑनलाइन फैशन शो करने के लिए तैयार होंगे?
Yes, sir. बिल्कुल.
Okay. So all the best for that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
I would request everybody to please switch on your camera for a while. Please switch on your video. Up to you, Preeti ma'am. Up to you, Sita ma'am.
So now I would like to call Preeti Sarva ma'am to give the vote of thanks.
Ma'am,
Preeti ma'am, please unmute कीजिए.
Good afternoon to Shajan sir. Good afternoon to all the manufacturers, retailers, faculty members, and dear students. I really want to say very sincere thanks to Shajan sir, who is addressing us from Kerala right now, Thrissur. And despite of having very different weather there, as you all know, he helped us, and I guess yeah, sir, it's raining heavily since many days.
It's raining.
Yeah. And the session was, I found it very, very, very knowledgeable and very good. And we will surely take it forward in many senses. So we are quite excited to carry it forward. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for
Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Preeti, ma'am, can I say something? This is Shilpi.
Yeah,
yeah,
ma'am. Okay. First of all, thank you so much, ma'am and Shajan sir, on behalf of DAVV, like Dole or DAVV. I would like to thank Preeti ma'am as well as Shajan sir and all the staff and managing committee of this webinar from IPS Academy. On behalf of all the students, faculties attending this webinar here, I would like to express my gratitude to you all. This really a learning session, and Raj, he's already into this like boutique field, and definitely like wherever our students would want to like participate in that online fashion show, I, on behalf of Dole, and Firoz sir is also attending this session. Firoz sir, are you there? I hope, right? So we would definitely help our students to the best we can do in that. And thank you so much for your very knowledgeable sessions, sir. And thank you so much, ma'am, again for your like humble support let us do also attend this session that you have sent us the this webinar sites and everything, so that we can attend this session just because of you. So thank you so much, IPS Academy, ma'am and sir. Thank you so much for all your support.
Thank you. I thank to our management also, and our director ma'am, Poonam Vora ma'am, who allowed us and motivated us to carry forward this webinar wonderfully. She gave us the idea of conducting this in 2 days. Earlier, we planned for 1 day. So I think it is a wonderful idea to conduct this in 2 days. And I thank to my colleagues, my talented colleagues who worked very hard day and night. Conducting a program is not an easy task. It's a joint venture. It's a teamwork. So they have enrolled a huge number of people. They have prepared many things. So thank you so much, and keep it up. I thank you to all the dear students of IPS Academy and from other colleges also. I thank you to respected manufacturers and retailers also, boutique owners also. And let us carry forward this initiative. Will surely carry forward. So thank you so much all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And bye. Take care.
Yeah, sir. Sandeep Gupta, sir, is there any announcement from your side? Sir, Mike.
We would be releasing certificate of participation within 3 to 4 days to all the participants who had participated both the days for more than 45 minutes on each day. In order to get that certificate, you will be receiving a Google form on your mail. Please open the Google form, submit your name and submit your email ID into it. Also, there would be 1 or 2 very easy questions based on this particular webinar. You need to answer all those questions, and based on that, you will be receiving e-certificate on your mail itself. Beside it, all those who had actively participated and submitted their jobs, they would be receiving certificate of appreciation as well as some special gift from our Department of Fashion Technology. I thank you, and I thank Preeti ma'am as well as Poonam ma'am to give me this opportunity to host this particular event. I'm thankful to all the participants as well as management. Thank you.
I am reading the chats. Students are writing, I am interested in fashion show. I am interested in fashion show. So kindly contact to our department. Kindly come to our college, and we'll surely do something along with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.